Texas is advancing a bold plan to establish a state-run Bitcoin reserve. The FBI has formally accused North Korean hackers of orchestrating the Bybit breach, and BitMEX is on the hunt for a buyer. Here's what's happening in crypto right now. Bitcoin has dropped 12.6% in just 3 days, marking its worst 3-day decline since the FTX crash in 2022, trading under 82,000 late Thursday. The sell-off is driven by tighter fiat liquidity, weak institutional demand, and macroeconomic concerns like tariffs and inflation expectations. The total crypto market cap is down 28%, sliding from $3.7 trillion to $2.69 trillion. That's a cool $1 trillion vanishing in just 70 days. The crypto fear and greed index is at a fresh low, and the market is feeling it. Is this just a bull market dip or the cycle's end? Only time will tell. Now on to the news. Crypto trading platform BitMEX is searching for a buyer, according to sources. The exchange, known for pioneering perpetual futures, appointed Broadhaven Capital Partners last year to facilitate the sale. This comes amid increased M&A activity in the crypto derivatives space, with major players like Kraken and Coinbase competing to buy Deribit. BitMEX has faced regulatory challenges in the past, including charges related to anti-money laundering failures in 2020. The prize of acquiring BitMEX, however, is in their infamous insurance fund, which holds almost 37,000 BTC, or about $3 billion worth. The FBI has linked North Korean-backed hackers, including the Lazarus Group, to a massive $1.5 billion crypto theft from Dubai-based exchange Bybit. The attackers used malware-infected trading applications to steal funds, which they have begun converting to Bitcoin and laundering across multiple blockchains. Bybit is now offering a $140 million bounty for information leading to the recovery of stolen assets. So far, they've paid out $4.2 million in bounties to individuals who've helped track and freeze stolen funds. Bybit has also fully replenished its reserves after the attack and continues to enhance security measures. Now, some exciting news. Texas Senate Bill 21, which proposes a Bitcoin strategic reserve for the state, has passed the Senate Banking Committee with a unanimous vote. The bill argues that Bitcoin can act as a hedge against inflation and financial instability. Other states, including Oklahoma, Arizona, and Utah, are considering similar measures. It's possible that Texas is the first state to get their measure passed. It could be weeks before we find out, but the national race is escalating fast.
Being 9 ayes and 0 nays, the committee substitute to Senate Bill 21 is favorably reported.
And some big news for us here at BitGo. We announced today that we now have nearly $50 billion in assets locked in staking, representing almost half of total assets under custody. That's a testament to the best-in-class experience and top-notch security we provide to our clients. Learn how you can maximize your staking rewards at bitgo.com. That's all today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a follow for more updates like this.